In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this gadget. So this is the TP-Link Casa Wireless Smart Plug. I'm going to be doing a review on it. I'm going to be giving you some lowdown on the specs and how you set it up, and also going to be, telling you near the end there about if it is one of those items that I would recommend that you go out and get. All right. My name is Roger, Global Technologies. Thank you for stopping by again. And as you progress through the video, I'd really appreciate you hitting that like button. Also, subscribing to this channel if you haven't yet become a subscriber. Remember to also hit the notification bell so that when I upload these new videos, you'll be automatically notified. All right, let's jump right into the video. Yes, so this is the TP-Link Casa Wireless Smart Plug, as I mentioned before. And this is the box that it came in. So yeah, it's not really an unboxing because I've taken it out of the box already. So this, by the way, this is the mini, and this is a product that you can get on Amazon. I'm going to be putting a link in the description also, so that if you wish to get it, you will be able to get it from the purchase on Amazon. So this is the mini. All right, so it came in a pretty much small box, and in the box also came a manual, which very much basic in terms of information that it contains. As for the build quality, I think it is pretty much durable. It feels pretty much durable. It doesn't seem like something that would fall apart, should it accidentally fall. No, there are basically three different elements to this. The front here, you have the plug, and of course it includes a grown port there. And at the back, this is what now you plug into the wall outlet. Now on the left side, has a power switch, and the power switch illuminates, so there's a LED light there, so it lights up when you turn it on or when you power it on. And also when you are setting it up during the installation, it will also be reflecting, or alternating between orange and orange, or is it red and blue. All right, but after the setup, the light is blue. So that is basically it. So I'm going to move next now into doing downloading the app, installing it, and we're going to be testing it. After you download the app, you need to open it. This of course was already installed on the smartphone. You're going to need to sign up. To sign up, you'll need to enter an email address. You need to enter also a password, and after you've done that, then you would activate it from within your email account. Then you need to click on this plus sign here. Then you're going to go to device, and then you select the device. So it says smart plug, so you would click on that and then select the smart plug type here. So this one is the smart plug Lite mini Wi-Fi, so you select that, click next, and then you go to the process of setting it up. It will require, of course, that you plug this into the wall outlet for the setup, and of course it will alternate between what's that, red and blue, as it goes through the setup process. So it will prompt you along the steps, the process, as to what it is that you should do in the app. All right, so I'm going to connect this for it to set up. I have the app set up on this phone here, and I'm using an extension. Of course, when you're doing this, you will have it connected directly to the wall outlet. But for the convenience of this video, I'm actually connecting it to this here. All right, so let's do this. So I have a well, not a fan, but a lamp connected to it, and that's it. All right, so you can actually turn on and off the device, whatever is connected to it, via the app. In addition to this, now you can actually set up a timer. So here, let me set this to 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. All right, so there it is. All right, so I've set the app to 1 minute, so it will turn on. So it's currently off. It will turn on after 1 minute. And this is good because you may have things like, I don't know, like a air conditioning unit, refrigerator that you may want to put in a timer, or some small appliance, probably like a fan or coffee machine, whatever it is that you want to come on at a particular time. And so this is where the smart plugs are an asset. All right, so it's now down to 1 second. It should be coming on anyway. All right, so there it is. All right. Now the good thing about this too is that with the app, you can set it up so that you can have remote control, remote access rather, of the device, as in the smart plug, from wherever distance from your location. So this is the beauty of it. So you can set it up that way so that if you want, for instance, a particular device to come on at a specific time, then it will, you can make that happen via the app. Okay. No, so that's basically it. The TP-Link Casa Wi-Fi smart plug. Now, what do I think about the TP-Link Casa Wi-Fi smart plug? I think it's pretty good. As I mentioned before, the build quality good. It's a very useful, device that can be an asset to you. You can have various appliances, equipment on this, as I mentioned before. You can set up a timer for it to come on or be powered off at a specific time. And you can also do that remotely. So that makes it an asset. All right. Now, in terms of the cost, the pair on Amazon will run you somewhere at about $23, $24 US, which is not a bad price, I think. And TP-Link, pretty much, reputable brand in the market, the network in the market. So, where the brand is concerned, it's just one that I would recommend. Of course, I would have been working with this brand for, about 10 years, a decade. All right. So pretty good brand. All right, so that's it where the TP-Link Casa Wi-Fi smart plug is concerned. So this is definitely something, a gadget that I would recommend that you get and that you add to your collection of items that you have to build out your smart home. All right. Again, my name is Roger, Global Technologies. Thank you for watching, and please hit that like button if you haven't yet done so. Remember to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel. Also, that when I upload these new videos, you'll be automatically notified. Hit the notification bell also, and share the videos. All right, see you again in the next video. Take care.